Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your S26 Ultra as a webcam. First, you need a USB-C cable that came with your S26 Ultra or any USB-C that you already have that is similar to Samsung's cable. Next is an optional, that's phone tripod mount, and of course your Windows PC. First, connect your USB-C to your phone and your PC. After connecting both ends, check your notification list and tap the USB for charging phone notification. Next, from the USB settings window, select webcam, then tap the back button to close it. Next, to check your webcam preview, check your notification list and tap the webcam option. Next, from your phone preview, you have the option to turn on HD webcam quality, zoom out to 0.6 or ultra wide, zoom in up to 2 times or just the normal wide angle view. You can also switch your front camera or back by tapping this icon. To use it in your desktop app, in this example, I will be using the Zoom app. So from the video settings, let's select the USB video device. And after setting it as your webcam, you should be able to see your S26 Ultra webcam preview. When you see this preview, that means you successfully set your S26 Ultra as your main webcam. To use it in your OBS Studio, from your selected scene, let's add a video capture device. Let's rename it and click OK. On the next window, let's click on the device drop-down and select USB video device from the list, then click OK. From your OBS Studio, you should be able to see it in your preview window. If it's too small, you can scale it up or whichever you prefer. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.